Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I right now am looking very undone. I just got home from work and I am very tired, but I had to show you guys my new bag and I love her so much. This is my new Michael Kors bag, very fall. It is a satchel purse and I am very much a either holding your bag like this or putting it around my arm or around my chest. But I love this bag. Very cute. I will find the style if it's still available on Michael Kors website and I'll put it down below in the description box. So if you want to see what I have put in my new bag, just keep on watching. All right, so first in my bag I have some wired earbuds, and I am always going to be a wired earbud girl. I do have AirPods, but I do look at this. What is this? I have AirPods and I like them, but I really love these better, and I'm always gonna have me a pair of wired earbuds. This is a cute little wallet that I actually got off of Shein or Temu. It was one of the two, I can't remember, but look at that. I love how it opens up and you got all the cards in here and really cute, really love it. And then I have this cute little makeup pouch that I think I had in my purse in my other what's in my bag video, which was from Profusion and Mean Girls. And in here I just kind of keep little essential things. I have a Dollar Tree lip gloss that the lady who actually did my hair a couple weeks ago, she gave to me. I have a nail file. We have a roll-on perfume by Pacifica. We have a Summer Fridays lip balm. Really like this. This is the one in, I believe, vanilla, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. See, and we have some rice papers to blot my face on the days where I wear makeup. And of course, this summer heat is no joke, so I haven't really been wearing any makeup. And when I do, it's powdered makeup because I'm already an oily combination skin and I am not about to have makeup just dripping all over me. Oh, a piece of hair is just sticking out. I need you to stay with the curl. Okay, so we have this clip that I got from the Dollar Tree. What's funny about this clip is I actually know someone who one day had the same clip in their hair and I'm just like, oh my gosh, we're twinning. They got theirs from Target for like $15 and mine was $1.25. You guys, hit up the Dollar Tree when it comes to getting any kind of beauty products or just everyday essentials that you need, because Dollar Tree is going to have a dupe or a cheaper good version of what you're looking for. So yes, cute little clippy. Let's see, we have a receipt, and of course these are Walmart receipts because I live in that place. A gas receipt. Why do we do that as women? Just keep receipts in our bags. I've always done that and it's never gonna change. That's just me. We have a cute little brush. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree just to have in my bag for when I'm doing or my hair needs like a quick little zhuzh or brush. We definitely keep one of those on me. Did I mention these are clip-ins? These are clip-ins. I actually ordered more from Amazon because these I made myself, and I've been trying to film a video showing you guys how I do clip-in extensions because it's been years. So I just started back doing it, but like I said, next week I should get some more clip-ins from Amazon and we are going to see how those go. If not, they're getting a return and I want my money back. And then we have, I don't even know if the sunglasses are in here. They are not. We have an empty sunglass case. This was a pair of sunglasses that at some point I got from Shein. Let's see what, oh, this is actually a pretty nice case for sunglasses. So just wanted to point that out there. Oh, I didn't realize this was in here, the little booklet from Michael Kors about the handbag. Let me actually go get the sunglasses and put them in this purse. And I want to show you guys the sunglasses because they are pretty cute little dupes of some designer sunglasses. So be right back. Are they dirty right now? I can't even tell. Do they look dirty? Now, aren't these just the cutest little Versace dupes? I really like, they don't have like the little lion logo. They're kind of just a little circle, like a little design right there in the middle. But I got these from Temu, and if you're interested, I will leave the link to these down below. But these are so cute. I love these. I love these. Makes me want to get an actual pair of Versace sunglasses. Let me keep these in the purse. Let me keep them. So that is the end of this what's in my bag video. As you guys can tell, I am very much a keep my bag organized, except for the receipts. Keep it organized, keep the essentials, don't overstuff it, because one thing I hate is a heavy purse, and this baby is going to be nice and well taken care of. But if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and sit back and watch some of my previous videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.